Welcome to Linux Self Tutorial. I am going to explain about how to install Zenario in CentOS. Zenario is a great content management system which enables you to build websites and powerful online applications. It is designed to grow with your site, adding extranet, online database, and custom functionality when you need it. Now we can see the installation of Zenario. Before installing the scenario, you must have installed the LAMP server in your system. And after installing the LAMP server, you can install some PHP modules. The command is yum install php-gd space php mb string. Now give enter. Now give us to download and install the packages. Next we can download the scenario package wget in the download link. Now give enter. Now the package is getting downloaded. This will take some time. Now the package is downloaded. Next you need to extract the package to the var www.html directory. The command is unzip the package name /var www.html. Now give enter. You need to use the option -d to extract to the particular path. Now the package is extracted. Next you need to change the directory to /var /www.html. Now list the files. Next you need to rename the package. Package name space Zenario. Next you need to change the ownership for the directory. The command is change own -r apache dot apache space the directory name. Now give enter. Now the ownership is changed. Next you need to create two directories under the HTML directory. The command is make directory space backup. And the another directory is make directory doc store. Now give enter. Now we need to change the ownership for the both the directories that are created. Change on apache dot apache space backup and change the ownership for the doc store directory. Next we can configure the MariaDB for Zenario. For that first you need to log in into the MySQL server, MySQL -u root -p. Now we need to create the database for the Zenario. The command is create database space Zenario. Now the database is created. Next you need to create the database user. The command is create space user space the username. Now close the quotes at open quotes localhost space identified by. Now enter the password for the database user. Now give enter. My database user is created. Now we need to grant privileges for the database user. Grant all privileges space on space Zenario dot asterisk space 2 space the Zenario user at localhost. Now give enter. Now the privileges are set. Now plus the privileges semicolon. Now give exit. Now we can configure the Apache web server for the Zenario. For that first you need to create the vhost configuration file nano /ctc httpd /conf.t /vhost.conf. Now enter the following: include optional space vhost.t /*conf. Now save the file and exit. Now we can create the virtual host. First we need to create the directory mkdir /etc /httpd /vhost.t. Next you need to create the vhost configuration file for your domain nano /etc httpd vhost.t, then your domain name .conf. Now we need to add the following lines to the file. In the server IP you need to enter your server IP address and in the server name you need to enter the host name of your system. After entering this, you can save the file and exit. Now restart the Apache web server systemctl restart httpd dot service. Now the Apache web server is restarted. Now open the web browser. Now enter the IP address and give enter. And now we can see the Zenario installation wizard has appeared. Now click begin installation, and now you need to accept the license agreement and select the fresh install. And you can see the system requirements are met, so you can now give next. And in the database name you need to give the database name that you have created, that is Zenario, and the database user, that is Zenario user. Now the password for the database user, and now click next. And you can edit your site content here, the primary website language and the date format and the long date format, and now give next. Now we need to give details for your admin account. Give the first name, last name, and the email address, and the choose your username and password for the user, and click next. Now we need to create the site configuration file. You can see the path here, the Zenario siteconfig.php, and open the Zenario siteconfig.php file, and you need to paste the following lines here. You need to copy this configuration and paste it in the file. Now save the file and exit. Now click I have done it myself. Now you can see the installation is completed successfully. Now select your URL. Now you can see the home page of your website, and you can edit your website using the following options here. You can create your pages, and here's the menu to edit the menu text, and you also have the advanced settings, and you can edit your properties, actions, and the layout for the website. And if you want to go to the users panel, you can click this. In the users, you can create your users. You can make your configurations here. The Zenario content management system is successfully installed in CentOS. Thank you for watching.